What's good, YouTube? We back again, starting the day off with another drop off. If you guys know the box, you know what it is. These things are fire indeed. Shouldn't be letting them go. But I got kind of what I wanted for them, and I got some more moves to make, bro. So we dropping these off right now, once again, at Flight Club, aka GOAT. Very happy to do that. Like I said, this thing is legit. Quick, easy, no real hassle. You know what I mean? So let me know, did you guys pick these up or not? The quality on these things are superb. Very, very nice shoe, bruh. Let me show you what else we taking away. Sorry for the lighting. Some more heat that we dropping off right there, as you can see. The Jordan 1 Japan, ladies and gentlemen. Had these chilling for a minute. You know what I'm saying? Found these when the stores reopened back up. So dropping these off too. Like I said, I'm getting what I want for them, so I'm not mad at it at all. And I got some other moves and a few other lanes opened up, so this is the perfect opportunity to go ahead and strike. If you guys pick these up, let me know in the comment section below. Did you guys cop them? Are they trash? Give me your thoughts and opinions on them, of course, down below. Shout out to everybody here in the premiere once again. And then we got one more banger I'm gonna show you guys right now. Last but not least, we got something else that people probably would think this is crazy, but these bad boys, the Jordan Mid Smoke Grays, or whatever you want to call these. Pretty dope shoe, of course. Did you guys go ahead and pick them up? Found these at JD Sports. One day I got lucky on them and got them for retail, so now we're letting them go. Close to 300 I'm getting back for them, so I'm not mad at that at all, you dig? Came in Sherman really quick. Still got some things on deck, just depending on what you're looking for. Even on Pearl over there, and the New Jersey net one. Pretty dope selection. Looking really quick just to see if there's anything that changed since the last time we was here. I went to Ross right next to it, right next to this mall, so I said let me go ahead and pop my head in here. So they have these on deck. New color, latest colorway of the Zoom Freak 2. What do you guys think about this one in the comment section below? The colorway is not too bad, 120 on these. Not sure how many people out there watching this actually like the Zoom Freaks, but they are pretty dope. Give me your thoughts and opinions, of course, in that comment section below, you dig? Location, I got the Kyrie 6s for $79 in the bread colorway, which is dope. And then also there is the Vast Gray, $60 also. That's pretty dope. Size 11 in my hand. Let me know what you guys think about that. What do you guys think about these in the comment section below? Rock it down. Pretty dope shoe, man. This has some value to it, but I can't find it when I look it up. If you guys are familiar with these, I mean, this is a smaller size. Let me know what you guys think about these and if they do have a resale to them. I don't know if I showed this though. The Vast Gray, $59. We're gonna have to come back for these, bro. You know what I'm saying? $60 more like it. Back at Northridge Mall, stopped by to see what's good here for a little bit. So let's go ahead into Champs right here and see if we can come across something good. I definitely think we talked about these Air Max 90s before. As you guys can see, so many different colorways and so many different videos. They're fire, bro. Cop pass, fire, or trash. These hats are pretty dope too. I see what they're doing, man. They come with some different combinations of the hats. I know somebody said they wanted this one. Now they got the NBA Finals hats, which is pretty dope. 2020. I think the black one's much better. Also pretty nice for the ladies. Air Forces with the other suede material on the upper. Double Nike swoosh. What do you guys think about these in the comment section below? 110 on the retail. I feel like we definitely seen these before, but I think the colorway is just ridiculous. A lot of things going on here, but I think it is pretty fire. 170 on the retail. Be dope to see these on sale pretty soon. I'm sure somebody might try to swag these up. So the PG5, look at this. First time seeing this in hand. Let's go ahead and talk about this shoe a little bit more, man. 110 on the retail. What do you guys think about these shoes in the comment section below? These are pretty cool looking. Let's go ahead and take a look at these a little bit closer.
What's good, YouTube? Your boy Bossco back again with another sneaker video. Hopefully you're having a great day wherever you are in the universe. As you can see by the title, we here talking about the
PG5.
It just released not too long ago. The release was delayed as far as shipping is concerned. We were able to get our hands on these so we can go ahead and talk about them. This is the PG5. Let me know, of course, all your feedback in the comment section below. If this is a premiere, shout out to everybody watching in the premiere. Let me know if you guys are a fan of these or not. Pretty dope shoe. It definitely feels a little bit lighter than the PG4. it has a different type of traction, and from what I've been understanding, these are the same traction. This is the same traction that was used on the Kobe 9 Elite, which was a really dope shoe. Owned that before. That's a shoe that I wish I did not get rid of, but I heard on the court that was a really good shoe to hoop in. I never hooped in it. I wore that more for casual wear, but I'm hearing that traction is great, so they duplicated that with this one. So that makes, you know, that makes it intriguing to see how this actually works on the court. It's definitely recommended more for indoor use than outdoor. However, you can play outdoor, but just the density of the traction, I think, will be just eaten away. If I'm using the right word, will just be eaten away if you went outside. So it's best to use these on the indoor court, of course. This has full length air, but it's Strobel air. It's not the Zoom Turbo. I believe Strobel air was in the PG4s also, which is something I guess they do for this shoe. I know the Zoom Turbo is nice. We got that in the Kyrie 6 and 7, and a lot of people like that. So I'm not too sure what the difference is when you hooping them. I haven't really tried these PG4s on the court. I like PGs more for casual wear, but they, for the reason of what they adjusted to now. Now, last shoe did not have these side panels, so your foot could easily move, and I felt like you could easily roll your ankle in it. And I believe that's why PG himself didn't even really play in the PG4s in the playoffs. I think he played like in the PG2s for the most part, and the 2.5s. Sometimes even the PG1s, if I'm not mistaken. But they added this side cushion here to kind of keep your foot in place. It has the same type of upper, that mesh, which is pretty dope, and keeps the shoe light, which is, you know, key when you're hooping. You want a light shoe. But the outsole looks pretty crazy. I'm curious to see what kind of colorways they come with this shoe. As you can see, the back part of the shoe heel kind of comes up, so it really does have some protection for the Achilles. As you guys will see, I did try these on, and we did an on feet with these, as you guys will see in a second. And it does have a lot of cushioning around here for your ankle and your Achilles, which is a great thing for hooping, especially when you have a low top shoe. Now, for me, I tried these on, and my foot's more on the narrow side, and these were snug. I felt like I might have to go up to a 14 again, man. You know, PGs do run snug, so you might want to go a half size up if you have the luxury of doing that. I'm a 13. There is no really 13 and a half, so I would have to go up to a 14. But you know, definitely if you have an opportunity, try them on in the store. I think these are pretty dope. I'm curious to see what kind of colorways they come with. I think that's really gonna make the shoe pop. This one's kind of basic. The materials is crazy because this looks like leather, but it's actually not. It's just some type of material that looks like leather. And then it has the mesh upper, as I said. You know, it has this hologram Nike swoosh on the back, which is kind of unique. Has like a little bit of glow to it. It's kind of a basic color, nothing too much going on, just black and white. First colorway of it, kind of what you expect, even though usually the first colorway is something wild and crazy, a collab or something like that. Maybe they'll do that with one of the colorways to come. But $110 for this shoe, not bad at all. I think the shoe's pretty nice, man. You know, I'm not sure if this is something I would cop for myself personally. I do like the colorway. I do think it's pretty simple, but I'm looking forward to more of the razzle dazzle, if you will. Some of the collabs that they come with. Because I think after wearing this shoe and trying it on, I feel like it would be a shoe I want to have in my collection, but I need the right colorway. This one is a little bit too basic for me, but I just want to get these shoes and talk about them to give you guys, you know, my perspective on them and get your opinion on them. Maybe you guys might want to check them out. They are very, very light. That's great for a hooping shoe. They got that Kobe 9 Elite traction, which is great for a hooping shoe. Definitely, I recommend these for indoor use just by looking at the traction. You'll probably get a lot more grip and a lot more wear on these if you use them for indoor use. I feel like the panels that they added to the side, the medial side, and this side right here will help you keep your foot intact and not roll your ankles. If you've had that problem before or that concern, I think that might be something that addressed it. But it remains to be seen, bro. We gotta try these on maybe one time on the court too when gyms open back up. And I'm curious to see what other colorways, maybe a NASA colorway, since they did not do that with the PG4s. I usually like what they do with the NASA theme, so hopefully they do something like this, because this right here kind of gives me a PG3 vibe, if you will. So they did a NASA vibe with that, so maybe they might carry that over to this. If you guys feel like this reminds you of the PG3, also let me know. If it reminds you of another shoe or another silhouette of PG, give me that feedback also in the comment section or the chat. Without further ado, let's get back to the video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Plus, here's some on feet, you dig?
PG5, what do you guys think about them? Let me know your thoughts. So, another stop we had to make. We're back at Fight Club, aka Goats. Dropped some of these off. Safari Soldiers. What's these, the 12s? 11s. The Soldier 11s, bro. Flipped these on Goat. Had these sitting for a minute. Nobody really jumped on them. I don't know if people didn't know that many people didn't have them. Size 11. I do got one more pair left. I got these from Marshall for 50 bucks, you dig? So let's go ahead and drop these off, as well as, so we're dropping these off. Very dope shoe, fire shoe. Let me know if you guys hit on these or not, of course, in the comment section below. Let's go ahead and drop these off, you dig? Women's Hirachis for 40 bucks. I think that's a really good steal right there. The other one right next to it is 89. 39 for that one. That's fire, bro. Well, let me just imagine it. See, going inside, showing the blood. Back at JD Sports once again. Let's go ahead and see what they might have in store for us today. They usually always got something pretty crazy. Let's see if there's anything here. Pretty dope. Let me know what you guys think about these in the comment section below. Pretty fire if you ask me. And now we back. We see that they have the royal blue, hyper royal blue 13s, but in grade school. Let me know what you guys think about these. So we see yet another colorway of the Dame 7. Not sure what this one's called. I wish the Dame 7 did like the Dame 6s and had something going on with the medial side on every shoe. Never really seen this colorway yet. Haven't seen it advertised. Maybe this is an early look. Let me know what you guys think about these in the comment section below. I think we've seen these blazers with the red swoosh.